everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool, this is a true 1964 and a half Mustang. Sorry, wait, this truck goes by. That is correct. They're all actually titled as a 65, but this is a real 64 and a half inch original 260 V8 engine car. It has a 302 roller engine in it now, but super cool car. Recent body up restoration. This is the factory color combination, Rangoon red with factory red interior. Nice car. They've lowered it down 2.5 inches all the way around, so it's got that good muscle car look. It's got 17-inch American Racing torque thrust all the way around it. Neat car. Runs and drives excellent. Good, solid, straight body. It's clean underneath. Just a good, straight old Mustang, guys. Got a real good look to it. Car just pops. There is some stuff you can nitpick on it. You see they've updated the headlights. Chrome and stainless is nice. You guys missed a little wax there. My boys missed a little wax on the chrome. A couple little marks in the trim, but nice car. Yeah, we'll go through the paint a little bit there. They definitely replaced the bumpers. Paint on the car is slick. Antenna on order, guys. They're on back order. Just national back order. Nothing I can do right now, but I've got one on order. So you're also going to see a break in the windshield. I've got a windshield on order. That should be here any day. Dash pad's nice. Good looking car. Touch up mark there. Again, as you go around it, there's a few little things you can pick, but clean, straight, and nice, guys. Car really hits the road good. You can see it's nice and flat down the sides. Oh shoot, we got a splash coming around the corner. Our parking lot's been soaking wet. We've been actually waiting for the rain to stop today to get this video done. New dual exhaust. They figured about a 5 or 6 year old restoration on it. Didn't know the exact mileage. Figuring a few thousand, 3,000–4,000 miles on the car since it was done. Again, it's got the original 260 emblems on it. That's what this car would have came with. It actually has a 302 roller engine in it now. Edelbrock 4-barrel. It's got a aluminum intake. You can see it's upgraded to a electronic ignition. They do have all the serpentine pulley system on there. They do have a set of coated headers on it, chrome air cleaner, chrome valve covers, factory C4, automatic trans, aluminum radiator with electric fan. Original VIN is still on your inner apron. It's also on the door tags in the door where it's supposed to be. ZR rated rubber all the way around it. So winch, actually this car you can see in 78, this car was in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Good car. See, the A-pillar chrome's really nice. New chrome mirror. New door handles. And there's your door tag. All new interior, new carpet, new sill plates. Repadded foam seats, bucket seats, got the factory floor shifter, stock steering wheel. It is the factory dash, 38614. I'm sure that's 138. Factory dash here. It's got some aftermarket gauges, AM radio. Again, dual exhaust, stock 300 rear end. And if you see that, it's just water splashing up when he pulled it around. Stone back there. It's all spackle coated actually here in the trunk, which they actually weren't from the factory, but you see a lot of people do that. I think that's just slow, yeah, slow dirt, guys. Again, it's all spackle coated. It's a straight old car. Runs and drives excellent. One of those cars, I mean, just hits the road really good. Still struggling with my back here, man. The last 2 days have been rough trying to do these videos. Again, seats look good. Those are definitely new covers. Good job on the car. Interior's really pretty. And factory radio, factory gauges. Couple little cracks in your steering wheel there. Factory floor shift. And new door handles. Boy, that A-pillar chrome is awfully nice right there. Good running 302, guys. Car hits the road good. Fuel gauge does work. Aftermarket gauge, that car's holding good oil pressure. Looks like all the gauges are working. Interior lights look like they were all working. Car's got a good sound. No on the radio.
The blower motor does work.
Blower motor works, guys. Again, I've got a antenna on order. When it gets here, we'll see. It's kind of, parts are tough. Upgraded the headlights. Turn your parking lights on. Those are pretty cool. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. That's a good looking little Mustang, man. Car's just got a good stance. Got a great look, just pops. My old saying, a car's got eyes. This car's got eyes right here, guys. Uh-oh, we got an accident down the road. That is a good looking car. Pretty color combo. Red on red, love it. Have a great day, guys.